Now let's review the facts of this case. If you are a law student, lawyer, or legal professional, click below for the complete case video, including the review of the parties, procedural posture and history, case issue, court holding and rulings, policy established, case key terms, and much more. Gregory Lee Johnson, the defendant, a political activist, participated in a protest during the 1984 Republican National Convention in Dallas, Texas. As an act of opposition to Reagan-era policies, he burned an American flag in front of a crowd. Some onlookers were outraged, believing his actions disrespected the nation. Although no physical harm resulted, Johnson was arrested and charged under Texas law, which prohibited flag desecration. He was convicted, sentenced to 1 year in prison, and fined. Johnson appealed his conviction, arguing that burning the flag was symbolic speech protected under the First Amendment. His defense contended that political expression cannot be punished simply because it offends others. The state of Texas argued that the law was necessary to preserve the flag's symbolic value as a unifying national emblem. The case raised critical questions about whether the government could restrict speech based on societal disapproval. In a 5-4 decision, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of Johnson, striking down the Texas law as unconstitutional. The court held that flag burning, though controversial, is a protected form of free speech, and that the government cannot ban expression simply because it is offensive to some members of society. To view the entire video explanation and the thousands of additional case and topic videos, click below and subscribe for optimal law school performance.